In this video, we will discuss oblique projectile. Let's learn with fun. Come with me in a basketball court. Enjoy the flight of the basketball. Enjoy the other example of football. What you have been noticed, football is given a initial velocity. Let's check. With an angle, with the horizontal. And football is free to move in gravitational field. Do you know this is only the oblique projectile? Let us look into physics of the oblique projectile. You have noticed the path of the football. Just look one more time. Say this is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is origin. Football is given some initial velocity, say the u, making an angle theta with the horizontal. Horizontal component of the u with the theta is the u cos theta. Vertical component is u sin theta. First of all, we will check the position of the projectile or the football at the different time instants. We are going to utilize only the kinematic equations. First of all, discuss with the x-axis. You know the second equation, s equal to ut plus half t square, that is also having the another form, x equal to x naught if origin is not 0 plus uxt plus half ax t square. Here x naught is nothing but the origin. We will place the 0. Ux, the x component, that is the u cos theta. Ax, the acceleration of the football along the x direction, that is nothing, because you know in the gravitational field only the acceleration along the y-axis, that is the negative y-axis, means here the ax is 0. We are going to substitute the values. X equal to 0 plus u cos theta, the x component, multiplied by t plus half multiplied by what? 0 multiplied by t square. There is no acceleration along the x direction. That's why equation is x equal to u cos theta multiplied by t. U cos theta multiplied by t, it's only remain. If you want to know the time, we can write t equal to x by u cos theta. We will utilize further. Say this is the first equation. Now we will discuss the position of the projectile at different instant along the y-axis. Again we are utilizing the second equation in the y direction. That's why y equal to y naught plus uyt plus half ay t square. Again, as far as the y naught is concerned, we started from the origin. That's why what is the value of y naught? Again 0. Uy, the y component of the initial velocity, that is u sin theta. As far as the ay is concerned, means acceleration along the y direction. Acceleration, and acceleration is only in this downward direction, means the negative y direction. Now we can substitute the values. Y equal to y naught is 0, y component is u sin theta plus half of, what is the value of ay? Magnitude is the g, but direction is opposite to the plus y axis. That's why we are taking ay is nothing but minus g. What we are taking? Ay minus of g. This is the value of ay. It's okay. We will sort it out. Y equal to u sin theta t minus half of gt square. This is the position of the projectile in y direction at time instant t. To find the trajectory or the path of the projectile, we can substitute the value of the t in the second equation. Let's check. Substituting the value of the t in equation second. Y equal to u sin theta, value of the t in the first equation, x by u cos theta minus half of g, value of the t is x by u cos theta, just substitute whole of a square. Solve for the, what you are getting, x tan theta minus gx square divided by 2u square cos square theta. Why is it? Let's check again. Here you can check u and this u will cancel out, and sin theta by cos theta, you know the tan theta. It's okay, fine. Now we will continue to find the path of the projectile. Path is designed or described by the equation just we find. Equation y equal to x tan theta minus g over 2u square cos of square theta x square is in the form of, just think it out, which is the type of this equation is y equal to ax minus bx square, where a and b are constant. We just taking here the tan theta a, it's a constant, and g over 2u square cos theta, this is the b. The equation reduced in the form y equal to ax minus bx square. What this equation is saying to us, this equation is of a straight line or any other? It is of projectile, not a straight line, which is the equation of parabola. Thus trajectory, the path of the oblique projectile is what? Parabola. Fine, okay. Let us apply physics of this oblique projectile in a numerical problem. Enjoy a water stream. A water stream is projected at an angle 60 degree with initial velocity 20 meter per second from a hose pipe facing a wall at a distance 10 meter. How high water stream can vacate the wall? That we have to be find. Say this is a hose pipe, there is a wall in front of the hose pipe, and there is a water stream strike with the wall. We will look into the physics. Say this is x-axis, this is positive y-axis, this is horizon. Wall is 10 meter apart from the hose pipe. Water stream is given some initial velocity 20 meter per second, which is making the angle 60 degree. That's given to us in this problem. As far as the parabola, if we are going to complete, of course there is no water stream opposite to the wall. We have to find how high that is plotted in the red color. What we have to be going to be use? Only the equation of trajectory we just discussed, using equation of the trajectory of the oblique projectile. In the equation of trajectory, y we can find if other values are given to us. Okay, let's apply. Y equal to x tan theta minus g by 2 u square cos square theta. What's next? X square. Okay, this is a parabolic equation we discussed. What is x in this problem? 10. What is theta? 60 degree. G, in general we are taking the 9.8 meter per second square, or an around, that's the 10 we can take. Okay, roughly. U, that is also given to us the 20 meter per second. Theta we know the 60 degree. X is again 10 meter, means we can substitute all the values. Okay, let's start. 10 multiplied by 10, 60 degree, minus 10 value of the G, 2 U is the 20 given to us, 20 square cos square 60 degree, multiply by x square means the 10 square. Okay, we will just substituting the values. 10 multiply by 10, 60 is how much? Root 3, minus 10 divided by 20 square is how much? 400. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, means 1 by 2 whole of square. 10 square is how much? 100. Fine. Here we can cancel out. $400 by the 100, isn't it? This 100 will cancel out with this 400. What's remain? The 4 only. Okay, we will substitute the values. Y equal to 10, 1.732, value of the root 3, 10 divided by 2, multiply by 4, multiply 1 by 2 whole of square is 1 by 4. Okay, y equal to 10 multiplied by 1.732, 17.32. Here again you can notice what? This 4 and this 4 will cancel out, right? And 10 by 2 is 5. Okay, if we further solve it out, what we are getting? 12.32 meter. The problem solved. We are getting a goal. We will win in this way, learning step by step, learning with fun. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. How to solve problems on horizontal projectile. Till then, stay tuned with me. Subscribe now, share with your friends, and thumbs up. Thanks once again.